So here's a update on where we are with the property. So far in this room, we got to do all the shoe molding, touch up paint, and put in all our vents. So throughout the whole property, we got to do all the shoe molding. In here, the same, all the shoe molding. In the kitchen, we got the backsplash, then mount the oven, the cooktop, and the sink hardware, and the hood vent. So gotta move that wire over and put a plug up there, and that'll take care of the hood vent. And of course the refrigerator goes here, and we'll put a plug back there for the dishwasher. And of course handles for the kitchen cabinets and drawers. That's our hot water tank, our pantry. So we have shelves to go here, put all the venting in and hook up the water lines along with the gas line. The washer and dryer area. Like I said, shoe molding throughout. Hang door here on this closet. Down the hall, same. Got a closet door here. And two doors, one to the bathroom, and then a door to the hallway. So still got here. I'm gonna be doing tile all the way to the ceiling. So all the way over to this window behind the toilet. And then put in the shower valve, along with all the shoe molding and baseboard. That door goes for the entry. Then we got a closet in here also. So we'll put a door there. This sink is functionable and installed. Just got to install the hardware, baseboard around the bottom, light fixture and mirror. A door here. And the master, the molding around the base. Of course, touch up paint as we go out. Here, that sink is hooked up, so same thing, mirror and light handles. And here we're gonna epoxy this tub. So we'll be cleaning that one and doing a epoxy coat on this tub along with the toilet. So we have a door for this closet. A lot of shoe molding, so door entry there, and closet door here, and then shelving in here. So that's the update on the property being renovated and what it takes to renovate it. So if you got any questions or would like to see certain things, you can put it in the comment. And I have certain videos on hanging doors and a few things that I'll put links into. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the notification for upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.